yeah.
This is Silver Lake. Lake water. A lot of rust. A little bit of chemical.
Oh, it tastes straight up like rust.
Oh god, I shouldn't drink it, dude. God damn it.
Tastes like a '98 Civic.
I'd recommend the chocolate milk.
I feel like that was 6th grade.
Oh!
Alright. Shoes off. Here we are. We can officially start the vlog now. We are in the lot. We didn't do shit last night. What did we do last night?
We got,
It pretty much rained for 5 hours straight.
Hell yeah! We hit ourselves in the camper, played a little, what was that game called?
What did we play? Waterfall?
Oh,
some adult games.
So Brandon, how do you feel about your bus ride? How do you feel?
And yeah, here we are, a bunch of racer guys at the dunes, it looks like. Rusty brought his side-by-side.
So let me fill you guys in real quick. So we got Yamaha versus Honda versus Husky. And the rules are whoever goes down first is disqualified. Last group standing wins.
Who's gonna win the dunes today? Josh is already winning. He put a full-on scoop. I went with the Pirelli scoop just because I'm still gonna be able to ride normal tracks and the tire's still gnarly. Got to get our flags mounted, but we're gonna be all good into the spring even with that tire. Rusty working with an MX-12. Got a fresh MX-12 here. Log, what are you working with?
Oh!
Ooh, got the Hoosier Slick.
One of them worn out 30s.
This ramp looks like the thing from the bowling alley every time where you roll the ball down it for like the...
Take the flag mounts last night out of the truck.
Huh?
Take one of the what?
The flag mounts out of the truck. They're in the back.
I got my flag mount. A little bit of fuel, boys. Last time I was here, ran out of gas in the middle, was stranded by myself. And then I just started walking my way in, and some randoms on top of the hill just decided to put me in their passenger seat and run me down to my bike and run me all the way in, so that was cool. But yeah, it was super embarrassing, so let's not let that happen again.
thought he was still sitting here.
Oh! Oh! Carnage! You just missed a 30-minute moto over here. $10 flag mount, that's what I get.
Yeah.
I probably put it on upside down, that's what's gonna happen.
Can you hit the other one and that one?
I don't know, I'm gonna make it this time. Got it. I made it.
Let me see the GoPro, I'll go get it.
Well, after we found that jump, it was like, yeah.
Right, that's kind of what we were trying to do earlier.
We'll just end it on today on hitting that.
That's a pretty big jump.
Dude, it's fucking massive.
How'd your bike do with it?
Log was wicked all the way off.
Wide open he was fourth wide for 100 yards before it. It's big, dude.
Dude, the thing is, you're leaving the air like 40 yards before you get the crest of the hill.
Yeah.
It's like, you fucking going. Sweet. That first.
Well, wrap on Dune.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry as fuck
I'm
too.
trying to think where we can go.
Where we going? Chipotle?
Stupid exit.
Chipotle.
I think the first Chipotle is probably Grand Rapids, though.
I'm in. What do you think, Mike Massive?
I won the dunes. I'm gonna win the dunes.
No, I'm winning the dunes.
No, I'm gonna win the Dune.
No, I'm gonna win the dunes.
250 Dune class, coastal log. Here you go. I won the Dunes. Gonna win the Dunes.